What's up friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the login method on Tango. So what you want to do, just simply go to your profile on the upper left hand side here, click in your profile, scroll on settings and click on account. Here you'll find login method. Currently mine is set to a Google, so if you want to change that you can simply go ahead and do so. Right, you can simply tap on that account and you have the option to change. So if I tap on change, it's going to go ahead and give me a pop-up where it shows me my other Google accounts or other email address that I have there, and I can select a different account there. Keep in mind, if you change the login method, it's going to simply change the email address as well that you have on your account, so you want to keep that in mind. So if you do that, just keep in mind that if you're changing the login method, it's going to also change the personal info, the personal email that is there, because it's going to change the account entirely. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple. If you want to change the login method, you can easily do that by changing the login of that email address, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.